Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Huawei and opening the camera or the built-in scanner from Control Panel. Aim for the barcode to fill about 1/3 of the frame so the camera can decode details. Once done, make sure camera permissions are granted and flashlight is on if it's dim. Keeping the lens free of smudges helps. Hold the phone steady and let the autofocus lock. This quick setup avoids blur and speeds recognition, so you can move to scanning immediately. You now align the barcode in the center of the viewfinder and adjust distance until the scanning overlay or focus indicator stabilizes. Move slowly to avoid motion blur. If your Huawei shows a scanner frame, fit the entire code inside it. Once the camera focuses, the phone will usually recognize 1D and 2D codes automatically. If not, tap the screen to force focus or try toggling the flashlight. Make sure no reflection. You finish by tapping the result card or notification that appears. That opens a URL, shows plain text, or copies the code for pasting. Once done, verify the data before proceeding, especially for payments or forms. If the built-in scanner fails, install a reputable barcode app that supports manual capture or high-resolution photos. Make sure to retry with stronger lighting, a different angle, or bring the camera slightly closer. This single tip often resolves most recognition errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.